Hello, good day, doctor. My name is Chong Hong Liang, and our group 2, we're gonna present about quality management and topic of discuss the role of top management in quality improvement initiative. And on the below is our group members.
Hi, my name is Wanda Amira binti Wan Arimin, number metric 278995. Strategic quality planning is the method used by quality teams, manager, especially quality professionals in respective companies to determine the correct improvement effort to successfully manage quality today and in the future. The creation of the strategic quality plan is essential for establishing the highest quality effort for firm. To begin with, form a team of quality specialists who will be in charge of ensuring that the organization's client receive high quality product and services. Some members of this quality planning team may not be active in day-to-day quality management. Rather, all are affected by quality and so have a vested interest in the effective strategy planning's performance. Strategic quality planning was previously thought to be a separate and distinct process from strategic business planning because quality planning was historically done at lower levels of the company. Organizations utilize strategic planning to identify their objective, their techniques necessary to accomplish those objectives, and the internal performance management used to analyze and monitor progress. Strategic quality planning also systematic approach to performance assurance and development goals at the topmost levels of the company that in link to the business goals. Strategic quality planning was previously thought to be a separate and distinct process from the strategic business planning because quality planning is historically done at lower levels of company. Last but not least, strategic planning determines the organization's long-term orientation and how it will progress in the future. The process for agreeing on the organization's aim, modifications to this objective, and also the resources required to achieve this objective will regulate the acquisition, utilization, and disposition for these resources.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amisha Nadia binti Samsul Suharuddin. My metric number is 27742. I will present about the role of top management in quality improvement. Number 1 is a planning. Those who are professional in executive roles will plan goals, strategies, and policy for organization. Top-level management has responsibility to make consistent plans to help companies get ahead and help organizations perform tasks more efficiently. Second is organizing. There are several objectives to consider when organizing a plan. Coordination. Is the plan developed must be in line with other departments in order to work on common goals. Other than that, balance. Balance is very important for each department to have an equal fair share of work so that the company's goals will be easily achieved. Consistency. Consistency in every given job can help the company to be more efficient. Lastly, efficiency. Companies that have an efficient workflow can produce productive employees. Thirdly is a directing. Top-level management can handle company employees to navigate their work and complete their tasks. When wanting to direct a department, we need to consider several principles, among which is individual contributions. We need to help them resolve any challenge they may face or listen to the things they need to feel supported in their roles. Fourth is coordinating. The coordination function is the same as the planning because since top-level executives are constantly working to improve their coordination throughout the company. Continuity is very important to maintain and coordinate plans and tasks within the department to ensure the ease of operation of the organizations. Lastly is controlling. Control over the organizations need to be maintained. It can help ensure that the organization stay on schedule by achieving its goal.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Dr. Halim. My name is Siti Salbia binti Hidayat with matric number 280471 and I will present about how top management develop quality improvement. There are 4 total essential elements of total quality management applied as variable, which are: first, customer focus; second, continuous improvement; third, strategically oriented; and lastly, employee involvement in total. Firstly, for customer focus, customer attention becomes an important aspect for an organization's success since it is the beginning point for every quality project. It is encouraged to conduct research in the context of service industries and to describe the long-term influence of customer focus on other organizational performance. So, the most significant factors in gauging customer happiness is service quality, which is critical for organization's existence. Customer attention is one of 4 TKM pillars that contribute significantly to both financials and operations performance. In this study, indicators of customer focus include organizations' customer orientation, customer interactions practices, and customer happiness. Next, we will look at continuous improvement, which is considered as the most beneficial features in both the industrial and service industries for increasing competitiveness, efficiency, qualities, and performance. Continuous improvement improves maintenance performance significantly and is also a collection of procedures that helps an organization enhance its performance. This survey employed a process indicators. Third, strategically oriented. Strategic management is a strategy to specify the organization objective, developing policies, determining a plan for achieving the objective, and managing resources for policy and plan executions. The strategy should be in sync with the environment and should be adaptable so that it can compete and thrive in a competitiveness business climate. Top management dedication has no substantial beneficial influence on operations performance. However, top management dedications emerge as an important performance predictor for financial performance. Strategic indicators considered in this study include leadership, important resources, and management engagement. Lastly, for employee involvement in total, efficient use of employee participation has a beneficial influence on perceived organizational performance. Total employee involvement in this research is one of 4 TKM pillars that contribute significantly to both financial and operations success. Employee engagement and empowerment, as well as the utilization of self-managed teams, are employed as indicators of complete employee involvement in this study. That's all from me. Thank you.
A very good day to the doctor and everyone on the floor. I'm Jen Jiangqi with matrix number 278891. We'll introduce about the 7 basic tools used by top management in improving quality. The 7 tools here means by process map, checklist, histogram, scatter diagram, control chart, cause and effect diagrams, and Pareto chart. Now, let me go to the first tool, which is process map. Process map, also named flowchart, is applied by management team in showing the situation of progress from bird view. From this process map, the bottleneck and breakdowns could be determined by professional team and top management, and they could list the focus plan to settle all these problems occurred. As an impact, the improvement can be done by minimizing the probability of bottlenecks and breakdowns in a company. Next is check sheet, also named checklist. This tool has been used as a tool to investigate frequency of error occur. As a reason, it can be used in tracking error and causing errors, although the professional team and top management will know about what and where went wrong. The following one is histogram. Histogram is a visual of vertical or horizontal bar. It could be observed in the shape and patterns to show its change. It also enables the professional team and top management to analyze the different type of data on different groups. And the fourth one is scatter diagram. Scatter diagram has been used by top management and professional team in examining the relationships between variables and identify the indicators variables. Variables here means the possible factors and effects that would be occur and effects to the particular aspect. The next one is control chart. This control chart has been used to produce a product or service with consistent and measurable properties. It is because the top management and professional team were aware about the outliers appearing, and when the outliers appear, there is always a problem or incidents happen. The factors which affect the quality of products and services could be identified by having this investigation of the outliers. By identifying the factors, management could make the decision in having a focused plan in implementation of improving the quality. The sixth one is cause and effect diagrams, which with the famous name fishbone diagram. This diagram has been introduced by Ishikawa in helping to lower levels of abstractions in solving problem occurs. Based on the diagram shows problems is the head, and the major factors is the ribs of the fishbone, and the subcases is the bones. These tools has been applied by professional team and top management in identifying and investigating the problems directly and understand the root cause. As an impact, probability of the problems reoccur would be minimized by solving the problem from the root cause. Then, we come to the last tool, which is Pareto chart. The Pareto chart has included the problem list as 80% of all problems are created by 20% of the factors. The amount is shown in the Pareto chart, and the line graph is showing the total impact. By having this chart, the vital part could be defined by the field assigned. As a result, the main part that occurred the problem could be solved at the first actions. In a conclusion, these 7 basic tools always applied by professional team and top management team in improving their qualities. However, there are new 7 tools could be applied as a combination with these 7 basic tools in boosting the effects of improving the quality. By having this combination of tools of improving, the top management would always able to improve their quality in their company. That's all from my part. Now I will passing the baton to the next presenter. Thank you.
So this is the conclusion, and my name is Chong Hong Liang. My metric number is 279185. In the conclusion, I think quality improvement is so important, and does quality lead to better business results? Yes, I think yes, because the quality does lead to better business result. While the business result depends on the quality of product, because the quality of product is the parameter to determine business result. If the quality product is good and high enough, means the business is good. Next, if the quality of product is good, means we can fulfill customer satisfaction and increase the loyalty and retention of customers. So this is the final page of our presentation, and thank you for watching.